Hi, this is Anthony from Big Blue Button, and in this video we will look at how to share external videos to others in our virtual classroom. So let's say that you found a great online video on YouTube or Vimeo that you want to share with your class. Copy the link to the clipboard for that video. Next, make sure you're the presenter. As presenter, you can then click the plus icon and select Share an external video. Paste in that copied link, click Share, and voila! You can start playing the video within Big Blue Button, and your students will see the video played in sync with you. You can start and stop the video and even drag the playhead to a different place, and your students will always be in sync. Big Blue Button supports video sharing from YouTube, Twitch, Instructure Studio, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and even URLs that direct to a video. It's important to note that external videos being shared during a recording classroom will not be visible in the recording. Instead, viewers of the recording will have the links to the external videos in the chat. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Big Blue Button's external video sharing. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and make sure to leave a comment letting us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.